afternoon, Mirabel members. Here is your weekly construction update. A new wall has been built dividing the members' shop from the dining room, where casual seating will be installed. Our old wine room has been framed and drywalled. The new wine room has been wired and drywalled. Behind the wine room, the service station is beginning to take shape, as is a much-needed storage room. Fill has been brought into the back patio and footing installation has begun. Fill has also been brought into the front of the fitness center. Vegetation has been removed. The area is now ready for building to begin. Stay tuned for more progress. Please keep track of our live cameras on our Mirabel website. Have a great day.